So today we're back with another video, and I am playing Blood Escape 2. Yes, Blood Escape 2. Day 42 I'm logging in. Yes, I play Blood Escape 2 quite a bit now. But you know, I get 20 coins every day. So, wow! That's what I really like. No. I'm this guy right here. Oh wow, I'm glad I didn't get into that round because I hate Desperate Seas. Cool Beans. Haley, someone in my server, their name is Cool Beans. 46 seconds. Okay. Can he do it? Will he do it in less than 1 minute? Oh, he did it. These people did Desperate Seas in less than 1 minute. This has to be a server that has pros in it. They did it in less than 1 freaking minute. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna be nice to these people and get the, oh my gosh. I'm so bad at this. And boom. No! Dang it, we have a pro bacon hair on this server. I hate having pro bacon hairs. Because then I think like, oh, that guy's going to die because he's a noob. But he's actually the first one in. No, I hate when that happens. Dang it. Hate that you can't have shift lock on under the water. Because I made shift to dive. I really wish that like in all Blood Escape 2 things that if like you were underwater, like at the end, you would, like, at the end, it would always be air, and there would be no water, so you could still glitch out. That guy's a noob, and his face is called I Hate Noobs. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Well, I'm actually kind of glad that I don't have on shift lock. Okay, now I need shift lock on. And boom! Oh. Yeah, I don't think anybody got that button. I like never make that jump. I never make that jump, but I just did that with easy peasy. I just did that with peas in it. Because it's easy peasy. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Sugar and yarn processor. SpongeBob SquarePants. There is something you wear. SpongeBob SquarePants. Flop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh my gosh. No, do not die, Hayden. No! Hayden, I can't believe you did that. You failed the easiest jump in the world. Sometimes I try to do pro moves and I mess up. Just like that guy tried to do it and he messed up. There is a bomb on my door right now.
I have a good one for foot, and do you want to film with things?
No. I already had dinner.
Now, I'm going to shut the door with my feet.
Hey, wait, there's a bomb on my door, just so you know. It's a picture. Remember? Yeah, I used to be way into Mario Kart Wii, where there's bombs as power-ups, and I had a sticker of that on my door. Oh, what? No one got that button. The only reason I didn't go to the pro way is because I thought somebody did get that button. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Don't even touch the acid, Hayden. Come on. Come on, Hayden. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Get me. There. I'm out. No, I'm getting this button. Haha. I just killed that person somehow. No. Nobody's getting the button, but there's somebody up there. Well, good luck, people. I'm gonna survive and they probably won't. Because I'm a pro and I can survive anything. Here, come on. Hurry! Dang it. Okay. So I gotta go here. Oh my gosh, like, jump. Oh jeez, that guy. He is like, oh, he's going like this though. And then he went, hey, I want to get back up here, mama. Are you kidding me? Did that really just happen? Did that just happen? Okay, to speed this up, I'm just gonna leave the game, get a new server. Actually, no, we're gonna play a different game. Earlier, if you watched my previous video, I got up to 200,000. Oh, Kylie is playing Roblox. At 9:03, are you kidding me? Okay. Wow. Never knew she'd be up this late. Because she'd fall asleep on the couch at 6 o'clock in the morning. That is very weird. You're probably like, Caden, who the heck's Kylie? She's something from my dad here, okay? We made her a Roblox account like 2 days ago. Okay, no, 4 days ago. See, look at this sick thing. I can just constantly click and it'll work. It literally goes so fast. I'm glad I bought this thing. Like, it takes me 5 seconds just to get 100. It takes me 5 seconds to get 100 pound. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 200. Like, easy on that. How many of these do I have? 12. Oops. What in the world? What in the world is happening? How do you get over there? Look, that cannon. No. What in the world? What cannon would take you there then? I don't know. I have no clue, but you know. I love Bee Swarm. So relaxing. Well, most of the time it is. But a lot of times can make it not relaxing. But still, I don't care. Final Showdown, yeah, whatever. The strawberry field. Oh. Okay, whatever. So I need to kill ladybugs. Ladybug, come out, ladybug. Come on, kill him. Thank you. He didn't even touch me. No. I wish there was like a faster way to do this. But it takes me so long. Wait, I think I might be a YouTuber. Hi, YouTube. Ethan Pro Gamer. YT. Oh wait, why am I? I'm like Ethan Gamer YT. I'm YT. So what am I doing? You know, Ethan Pro Gamer. YT. Okay, I asked him if he was recording. Where is he? Are you recording? Here's a bunch of hashtags before it. Well, wait, whoa. I am recording. I am recording. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Gonna walk on the fence. Collect some pollen on your way. What? Oh yeah. Ooh, honey. You can never do yourself some honey. Okay, next job. Here's a reward too. 4 more quests and I get a gold egg. I'm not feeling picky. I just want to eat. Why don't you click 16,000 honey? I don't care where you get it. Wait, pollen. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now is I have to like make honey, which I hate making honey because it takes so long. I'm not going all that way, just use the instant conveyor. So yeah, I will unpause it when this is done. Okay guys, I'm not completely done yet, but I'm almost done. And so yeah, gotta just finish this out. I'm recording. You're a YouTuber? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm Aya. 15 minutes ago. Hi. 15. Yes, Mega Man. Yes, Mega Man. You bought diamond eggs. Nope. Nope. Got them from Royal Jelly. Got them from Royal. I got them from Royal Jelly. Well, that many. I lucky. I'm gonna friend this guy. Mega Man. There you go. I have deck 2. Cool. He has the music bee. He has the music bee and the lion bee. Wait, I have Royal Jelly. Follow. How do I close this? Okay, dude, I already know that. I already did that. Not that. Yeah, I did that. I did. Dude, why don't I see you? Let me get out another. Dude, I think I know this one. But and I don't even know it. Crazy mind the caps, please. It's annoying. What do you mean mind the caps? Okay, come. I got it. Dude, I don't know how to do what you're doing, so. How do you do that? Dude. What is this dude doing? Ooh, I never knew about this. Eh? You didn't hear? No. You do the jelly. Ooh, I never knew about this. This is cool. This cool. Okay, here. Yay! I got myself some jelly. Got myself some jelly. Oh wait, what? Oh no, it's the other one. Wait, what? Oh, hi. This guy is being so nice to me. Thank you. Boom, Royal Jelly. Guys, here's a shout out to Mega Man. Please friend him on Roblox. He really deserves it. Let me tell him. Gave you a shout out. Gave you a shout out. What? What? Dude. Do you have a parachute? No. No. How do you get a parachute? How do you get a parachute? Please. Okay, Joe, you need a parachute. How do you get one? How do you get one? How? Let's see. How? Ow. Dude, I fell. Where are you? Dude, no. He left me. Mega Man. Oh, woof. There you are. Please say these are free, because I only have 27,000. I got a parachute in here. Are you sure? I don't think you got one here. This guy might just be like upgrading his. In here, look for price. It's expensive. In here, look for price. Okay. I don't see a parachute yet. No, that's not the parachute. What? I don't see a parachute. Can't find it. Can't find it. Dude, I can't find it. I'm saving for Port Alive. After the bags. Those. No. Oh, that. Oops. Holy. Oh, jeez, that's 5. Oh, wow. 500,000. Honey. Dude, I'm sorry, but I can't get it. There's no way I can get that much honey. That's literally... Yeah, it took me 3 days to get it. Jeez, dude, how do you do that? It took me like 2 weeks just to get... Took me 2 weeks to get 200, comma 000. Okay. So apparently you can't say 200,000. This stuff took me deck 1 week. I played deck 24, deck 7. Oh. This guy is helping me out so much. Like, really. Without this guy. Here, I'm up. Okay, so where do I go next? Well? Oh, hi. 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 I'm recording on YT right now. Did you use code on front page? Yeah. It wax, right? I did that. I did that. What did that guy say? Check one on favorites. Did that. Did that. Dude. Popmaster did that. Did that. I'm waiting for this guy to say a code, and I'm probably gonna have already redeemed that code. This guy, he's trying to tell me the code just because I'm on YouTube. He's like, thank you so much for putting me on YouTube. Black bear. How do I? Question mark, where's the question mark? Black bear? I think. Black bear, I think. That is a code. What? What is the code? Say the code. Say the code. I'm stuck in all caps. I'm stuck in all caps. I'm sorry. Jeez, this guy is a pro too. These two are pros. I don't care. It don't bother me. Okay. Okay. The channel Roblox for life. It's a channel Roblox for Life, and it has pics of my avatar and used code crawlers. And use code. Do you remember that there's a boss, King Beetle? Yeah. Yeah. Duh. 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 I see him, crazy. No. It's super hard. It's super hard. I'm really enjoying chatting with these guys. If you guys want to do this, just friend me on Roblox, join me when I'm on Discord, and then boom. How much honey do you guys have? 27, 00. $27,000. $27K. $27K. 7K. Deck 27K. Oh wow. No. Oh. Deck 1K. Deck 1K. Okay, I'm having quite a bit of fun. And I'm just gonna, do that. Ministry 2. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop recording because I keep on forgetting that I'm recording and I'm just chatting with these guys and I'm not really talking that much. So, bye.